Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard Mysore Pak only way. Begin by preparing 1 cup besan, 1 cup ghee, and 1 cup sugar. Pre-measure everything. Heat ghee and roast besan until nutty and fragrant, then make a 1-thread sugar syrup. Combine quickly off heat, stirring vigorously until mixture pulls from the pan, then spread and press firmly into a grease tray to set. In this video, I will show how to make hard Mysore Pak only way. Keep heat low and stir continuously while roasting besan to avoid burnt notes. Test sugar syrup by dropping a bead in cold water until a single thread forms. When combining, fold ghee in slowly so the mixture emulsifies and firms correctly, then transfer immediately to a greased tray and press evenly to compact the crumb structure. In this video, I will show how to make hard Mysore Pak only way. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for kitchen timers, voice control, and cooking beats. It pairs perfectly with hands-on recipes. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like so I can make more guides, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make hard Mysore Pak only way. For soft batches, reheat gently and incorporate a spoon of roasted besan to firm up without drying. For crumbly results, warm and knead with a touch of hot ghee to reunite fats and solids. Monitor syrup closely so you hit the 1-thread stage, and adjust cooking time to match your stove's intensity for reliable outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.